It's the beginning of a new year, and there's no better time than right now to reevaluate and establish your goals for the year to come. Especially with 2020 being so difficult and unexpected, many people can't wait for fresh beginnings. To help you set your goals, here are 10 best goal-setting books for you to check out to help you set a clear vision of the year to come. I know you're busy and might not have time to sit down and read through all the different books and take them off your reading list, so here is a secret tip for you. It's called Blinkist. Blinkist brings you the knowledge through summaries of top nonfiction so you can learn anywhere at any time. So instead of sitting down and reading hundreds of pages, you can just listen or read through the summaries through Blinkist. To find out more, you can check out my Blinkist review or by clicking the link in the description box down below. Alright, let's go through these 10 goal-setting books and let you in on what they're all about. You can find the links to all of these different books in the description box down below. The first book is Goal Setting and Achieving Them by William Bell. Unfortunately, most people never reach their goals. It has nothing to do with their intelligence, skills, or work ethics. Smart people who are disappointed with their lives can be found anywhere. As an entrepreneur, achieving the goals that you set for yourself can be crucial for business success. William Bell concentrates on helping you set your goals effectively. Goal setting and achieving them aims to help you set your goals with a proven little-known strategy that actually works. It's a great book that teaches you the importance of goal setting and the focus needed to be successful in all areas of your life. The second book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. This is one of my favorite books. James Clear is one of the world's leading experts on habit formation. He reviews practical strategies that will teach you exactly how to form good habits, break bad ones, and master the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. In Atomic Habits, you get to learn how to make time for new habits, overcome a lack of motivation and willpower, and design your environment to make success easier and get back on track when you fall off course. Then the third book is Rewire Your Habits. It's a book written by Zoe McKey. Rewire Your Habits is a fantastic goal-setting book. Setting goals is just one half of the job done. In order to make your goals inevitable, you have to build strong and powerful habits. Whatever your goal is, having the right habits will be the key to your success. Zoe McKee is a life coach that has found the most common goal setting and habit building issue that her clients have faced and presented the solution to these problems in her book. She dives into the reasons why we should do it and behind setting goals. Also offer great tips on how to conserve and launch our energy when needed the most, which is incredibly important for entrepreneurs. Then there's Strategies and Tips for Time Management by Jack Barrett. In today's world, maintaining focus is not an easy task. There are a lot of different distractions that we have to deal with from all corners. As an entrepreneur, you have to be able to discipline yourself and manage these distractions, but you need the right tools to guide you towards your goals. In reality, the only way that you can live a happy and fulfilling life is by using your time wisely. Learning how to manage your distractions is the first step in this direction. This book offers easy to integrate, realistic solutions to time management problems. Then the fifth book is Procrastination by Daniel Stevens. Procrastination is a big problem for many people across the world, and there are countless resources and information out there aimed at helping people to stop wasting time. But without truly understanding what procrastination is, you can never learn how to use your time more effectively. Rather than filling your brain with useless hacks and tips, Daniel Stevens shows you how to improve concentration, take control of your time, and gain a clearer understanding of why you're procrastinating. Then there's the sixth book, which is Become a Time Master by Katelyn Silva. Entrepreneurs always seem to have an endless to-do list, and we've all been in that position when it feels like there are not enough hours in the day to get everything done. Entrepreneurs, specifically solopreneurs, might often feel like we're constantly being pulled in a lot of different directions, being constantly busy but never getting anything done. Katelyn Silva presents her proven method for not only taking back your time, but mastering it to maximize your productivity to get more done without packing more onto your to-do list and ultimately feeling more fulfilled and accomplished in your life. Then there's 7 Principles of Becoming a Leader by Riku Buranima. While the power to motivate and persuade is a very important skill to have, it isn't everything about leadership. Even if you're not a natural-born leader, you can certainly evolve into one. But you must be proactive in developing your leadership skills. This book talks about all the leadership development and career building secrets to clear actionable principles available for everybody. Even if you don't have any previous leadership experience, education, or support, The book will be your guide through every step of your journey to becoming a strong leader who are in control of their work, their career, and their life. Then there's The Coaching Habit by Michael Stanier. It takes courage to ask a question rather than offering up advice, providing an answer, or unleashing a solution and giving another person opportunity to find their own way. There are many different how-to guides on how to be a good coach, but coaching is an art and it's far easier said than done. It takes courage to ask a question rather than offering up advice, providing an answer, giving another person the opportunity to find their way, make their own mistakes, and create their own wisdom is both brave and vulnerable. In Michael Bungay Stanier's The Coaching Habit, coaching becomes a regular, informal part of your day so managers and their teams can work less hard and have more impact. This book takes a fresh, innovative take on the traditional how-to manuals that we've all read. Then there's Ultra Learning by Scott Young. Entrepreneurs have to constantly learn new skills if they want to stay competitive and relevant. You have to always be able to adapt to whatever life throws your way. Staying ahead in your career means always learning. This book talks about how if you want to accomplish more and stand apart from everyone else, you need to become an ultra learner. Ultra learners are ordinary people that can master difficult skills quickly. It's a very interesting book to help you step up your game and stand out from the crowd. Then there's The Art of Saying No by Damon Zahariades. Saying no to people asking you for favors, especially if they're coworkers, friends, or family members, is always difficult and puts you in a potentially awkward situation. There's an art of saying no that will allow you to turn down requests and decline invitations with confidence and poise. A way to reject someone demanding your time while still inspiring their respect in the process rather than making them angry. In this book, you get a step-by-step strategic guide for setting boundaries and developing the assertiveness you need to maintain them. You discover how to get your friends, family members, bosses, co-workers, and neighbors to respect your boundaries and recognize your authority. There you have it, the 10 books that can help you reach your goals and make changes. If you're overwhelmed and want to check out multiple of these books that I talked about, again, you can use my favorite book reading tool called Blinkist to be able to get the highlights of these books. All of these books are also available on Audible for you to listen to, so if you're interested, you can check them out in the description box down below. These goal-setting books are not just about setting your own goals, but also about how to manage your time, how to stand out from the crowd, and how to make sure that you achieve these goals in this year. What do you think about these books? If you have any recommendations, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. We're gonna have more videos about productivity, goal setting, and just about everything about online business coming your way, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.